In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know the size of a picture in Microsoft Word. When working with images in Microsoft Word, it's often important to know the exact size of a picture. Whether you're preparing a document for printing, creating a report, or designing a layout, understanding the dimensions of your images helps maintain consistency and ensures they fit properly within your document. Microsoft Word makes it easy to view and even adjust the size of your pictures using the built-in tools. To begin, open the Word document that contains the image you want to check. Once the document is open, locate the picture and click on it to select it. When the image is selected, you will notice small sizing handles appear around its edges, indicating that the picture is active and ready to be edited. After selecting the picture, look at the ribbon at the top of the Word window. A new tab called Picture Format will appear. This tab contains various tools for editing and formatting images, including options for adjusting size, position, and layout. In the Picture Format tab, locate the group labeled Size, usually found on the right-hand side of the ribbon. Here, you will see fields labeled Height and Width. These fields display the current dimensions of your image in the measurement unit set for your document, typically inches or centimeters. You can use this information to ensure your image fits the desired space in your document or to maintain proportion when resizing. If you want more precise information about the image, including its original dimensions, you can right-click the picture and select Size and Position from the context menu. This opens a dialog box that provides additional details, such as the absolute size, scale, rotation, and aspect ratio. You can also use this dialog box to manually adjust the height and width while keeping the image proportional by checking the Lock Aspect Ratio option. Knowing the size of your images is especially helpful when creating professional documents, newsletters, or reports where layout and alignment are important. It allows you to maintain consistency across multiple images and ensures that nothing appears stretched or distorted. By following these steps, you can quickly view and understand the size of any picture in Microsoft Word, giving you more control over your document's design and layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.